Students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, I welcome to each and everyone in moral science video. And children, this is my second video of this week. Okay, so in this video, once again at a glance, I will recall you this both chapter. I know very well you all have read this chapter very nicely, but at a glance I will recall you the story. Okay, children, first the chapter name, God the Creator, and the name of the story is what? The trusting dog. The trusting dog. Trust means believe. Yes, we should always, first thing is that children, we should always believe on others. Okay, it means we on first is what? We should always trust in God, because God has created the universe. Okay, God has created to me, to you, to everything. Okay, children, so we should always keep trust in God. So name of the story is the trusting dog, because there is one dog and who always believe in God. Okay, children, one day deep in a jungle there was an old house, and Mr. Bear lived with his servant the cat. One day Mr. Cat asked to the dog, Mr. Dog, do you still trust in God for everything? So Mr. Dog said, yes, I always trust. Yes, I always trust in God. Whatever God does is the best. I fully trust in Him. So after that, one day that evening, as the cat was cleaning the kitchen, he fell down and he broke the jar of honey. Okay, accidentally. So he was totally scared, because now he has no salary, no money to buy the new jar of honey. So he said these all things said to the Mr. Dog, and Mr. Dog said, not worry, just he said that only trust in God. So when Mr. Bear came home, what Mr. Cat said, sorry Mr. Bear, I broke your jar of honey, because he asked about the jar of honey. So Mr. Bear was totally angry, and he said, just get out from house and don't ever come back. So Mr. Cat left the house with Mr. Dog. So what happened? He was totally sad. So as they were walking, they came across a small in deep and in the jungle. There was a notice. On the notice, it was written, looking for a good cook, good salary, and free boarding. So Mr. Dog said, I told you that when you trust in God, He does what's best for you. Sometimes it can be happen. Sometimes things seem to go wrong. We need to be sad. Be patient and leave your affairs in God's care. Okay, children. So at last he got the job with good salary and free boarding. So Mr. Cat said, if yes, I had remained in that house, I would always be penniless, and now I can prosper. Now he has the Mr. Cat is very happy. Okay, children. So what you all have understood, we should also trust in God. Okay, and in the times of difficulty also, we should not need to be worried. So now, after that, you will discuss the chapter 2. Chapter 2, love God's creatures. Already you are knowing, children, yes, we should love and care of God's creatures, because love is a special feeling. Okay, now come to the story, Rohit and the loving cat. At beginning, Rohit was very unhappy, and Rohit was an unhappy child. He always thought, nobody loves me. One day a cat came and hid under Rohit's bed. Rohit thought cat is very lazy, that's why it is not moving. I am telling also, get out from my get out. So but what happened? What was the reason why it was not moving? Because cat had hurt its paw. When when Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw, he felt very sorry and started nursing, and he gave some medicines, and he said it will recover fast. Soon Rohit and the cat became good friends, and Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. And before long, the cat gave 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. At last, so now after that, the children in the neighborhood came to play with the kittens. Now Rohit had many new friends. They all played together happily with the kittens. Okay, children. So we should also what love and care of God's creatures. Okay, children. Now the work related to this chapter. Yes, the work is who said to whom. Like first question is, get out you lazy cat. Who said, children? Yes, Rohit was sad and he was sitting on the bed. Suddenly a cat came and hid under Rohit's bed. So Rohit said, what are you doing under my bed? Get out you lazy cat. Who said? Rohit said. To whom said, children? Rohit said to the cat. Rohit said to the cat. Now, second number is here, nobody loves me, I have no friend. Who said, children? Yes, Rohit was an unhappy child because he always thought nobody loves me and I have no friends. So who said? Rohit said. To himself. What? To whom said? To himself. Okay. So Rohit said to himself. Now, third number is here. Yes, if I had remained in that house, I would always be penniless. Yes, one day Mr. Cat, when he left his house with Mr. Dog, he saw a notice board and there was written, what? Looking for a good cook, good salary, free boarding. So at last Mr. Cat got the job and he said, yes, if I had remained in that house, I would always be penniless. So who said? Mr. Cat said. To whom said, my dear? What? To whom said? You will write here the what Mr. Cat said to Mr. Dog. Mr. Cat said to Mr. Dog. Now, I am sorry I broke the jar accidentally. Yes, when Mr. Cat was cleaning the kitchen, suddenly he fell down and he broke the jar of honey. So Mr. Cat was totally scared. But okay. So when Mr. Bear came to the house and he asks about the jar of honey, Mr. Cat, where is my bottle of honey? He said, sir, I am sorry I broke the jar accidentally. So what Mr. Cat said to Mr. Bear? You can see Mr. Cat said to Mr. Bear. Okay, children. Now next. Oh God, guide me, protect me. Who said, children? Just when Mr. Cat broke the jar of honey, he was totally frightened because why he was frightened? Because he has no money to buy a new jar of honey. So Mr. Cat was totally scared. So Mr. Dog said, just don't worry and pray to the God. Okay, because Mr. Dog always trust in God. So he suggests to the Mr. Cat, just pray to the God, because God does is the whatever happen, just God will do the best. Do the best. Okay, so not need to just need not worry anymore, be happy and just pray to the God. So Mr. Cat started praying and he said, oh God, guide me, protect me and help me with this problem. So Mr. Cat said to himself when he was sleeping. In sleeping time he said, Mr. Cat said to himself. Okay, children. Next. This medicine will help you recover fast. Yes, children. When Rohit felt sorry for the cat and started nursing, and he gave medicine to recover fast, and he said, this medicine will help you recover fast. Okay, children. So what Rohit said to the cat. Rohit said to the cat, and now after that Rohit and the cat became good friends. Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Okay, children. So who said? Rohit said to the cat. Rohit said to the cat. Now, okay, after that, that is last. Oh, what? That is why you are not moving. Who said? When at first he said, what are a cat came and hid under Rohit's bed. So Rohit said, what are you doing? Just lazy cat, get out from house. But suddenly when Rohit saw the cat had hurt its paw, so Rohit felt very sorry and he said, oh, that's why you are not moving. So Rohit said to the cat. Rohit said to the cat, my dear. Okay, so children, you all will do these work in your copy, which are related to chapter 1 and 2. Who said to whom? At last, children, I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a good day and bye bye you all.